Hello everybody, I'll be showing you guys how to do an ignition coil pack replacement on all 4 cylinders on a 2014 Cadillac ATS. So for equipment, you're going to want the coil packs obviously, and you want the same setup as this because this is what's in the car. You want some spark plug grease to put in the boot so that it slides onto the spark plug easily. Then you're going to need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and then you're going to need a hex bit. First thing you're gonna do is take off this cap here for the oil cap here, and then we're gonna take off this screw, and then it has 2 prongs on the back side back here, so you're just gonna want to put it up and slide it back like that. So then we're gonna want to unscrew these on all 4 of them. And for this one in the back, there's 2 additional ones on each side that we're gonna have to take out in order to get to that. And just get it loose and probably unhand crank it from here. This is just to pull this out. Unclip this and pull this off. I'm gonna push that off. Pull that off there. Continue unscrewing this. Then you're just gonna pull up. This is just on the spark plug. Yep. There we go. Here's the old one. Grease on this one. I'll lube up the bottom of these other ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. You should feel a pop over the spark plug. So know what's in. Screw it back in. Tighten this up. Just a little bit past hand crank. You gotta put this back in. There we go, and then push this back in, lock that in. And you continue the same process for the rest. Get it in the butt one. So get it loose. I'll lose this one. Push those back. Go ahead and crank it from here. Yeah, I should be able to pull that bolt, so you know that's good. I'll put the clip. That's good too. Pop the clip. Pop the clip. Push. Go. Here's the pop. That's good. Last but not least, there's our spark plug down there. And I'm gonna grease up these new ones and throw these ones in here. I'm gonna grease them up. So we have all 3 of these new ones greased up. Just go one at a time here. You should hear it pop. You can feel it at least going in, but you should hear it pop as well. Push it all the way down. Okay, last one. plug these back in. There you go. And you want to press. I'm gonna tighten these up. Starting with this one in the back. I'm gonna put these back in. And put this in. Alright, that is screwed in. Now, just tighten up these other ones. And just go till they're tight. And then, this is how you put the cover back on. So you can put these two rubber inserts in there. See in the back. Got that on. Then you're just gonna tighten this on. Put your cap on. And that is all.